How's it going, YouTube? By now, you probably heard about all the strange noises that people are experiencing all over the planet. And if not, just type in Google or YouTube, strange noises being heard, and watch all the different videos and listen to all the different sounds that these people are claiming that they're hearing, the experience that they're claiming that they're having. Because although I'm sure a lot of those experiences or videos are a hoax, I'm sure that a lot of those are legit. So the question is, if this is real, if this is a real experience people are having, why is it happening? What's causing it? So what is the experience? Now, although I haven't had the experience, from what I can gather, there is a loud noise, a vibration, and a uneasiness because they don't know what it is. So with that said, now we can look at possible reasons why this is happening. Now, I was talking with Paulie Customs earlier today on Blog TV, and he mentioned that how the Earth may be similar to an engine in the way that if you take oil out of the engine will start grinding its gears and freeze. And if Earth is like an engine, we've been taking its oil out for quite a long time. So is our thirst for oil and our drilling for oil and taking it out of the Earth affecting Earth's engines to where the continental shelves and the tectonic plates are grinding more than what they should? This could very well be a HARP or some kind of vibrational technology that they're testing. We know that the New World Order, one of their plans in the agenda of world control was to use HARP and Bluebeam to not only fake an alien invasion, but also fake the Second Coming. So with that said, is this a test of an update to HARP? Did an update to HARP give it some kind of glitch? Is this a beta test to the New World Order's holographic lie? Now, another possible reason is that it very well could be the trumpets. In the Bible, it says that the trumpets will sound, and some of these videos, it sounds like a trumpet. So that could very well be. The trumpet is a warning that something's going to happen soon. So we got to keep that in mind. It could be magma flowing at a rapid pace to where steam and pressure is just crushing stones and creating steam that's making really weird sounds, and there's so much pressure and the forces are so extreme that it could be causing vibration, or in some cases trigger an earthquake or a volcano, which leads us to look at all the earthquakes and volcanoes that have been popping off all over the world in the last few years. There's actually a lot of possibilities as to what it could be. Whatever is happening, whatever the answer is, the only way that we will figure it out is if we work together and really work together in figuring out what it is. Not by throwing out you're wrong, but by soaking in that other person's opinion and adding it to your arsenal of information. And you can't really fight back unless you have an arsenal. And one of the ways to fight back is education, knowledge, figuring out the answers that are kept from you. So with that said, what do you think this sound is, or these sounds are? Do you think that they're connected? Are they different events altogether? Are they a hoax? What do you think it is? Or what do you think it isn't? So if you haven't heard the sounds yet, or you're curious, I'm going to play them now. That said, have a good day.